In this video, I am gonna show you how to start an online business with no money in 2025. This is my personal step-by-step guide to starting your first online business with no money in 2025. And if you don't have any money when starting out, this is actually very beneficial because it forces you to be more creative and resourceful. So let's get into it. Step 1. Pick your online business model. There are so many different ways to make money online these days. In fact, just last week I did a video about 15 different side hustles that you can do to make extra income. But for this video, I want to focus on 3 of the most popular online business models: freelancing, e-commerce dropshipping, and affiliate marketing. These 3 online business models allow you to earn passive income from anywhere in the world without having to spend any money upfront. Now, depending on which one you choose will depend on what skills you have and what you enjoy doing. For example, if you're good at writing or editing, then freelance writing or freelance editing might be a good fit for you. If you like taking photos or making videos, then you could do freelance photography or videography. And if you're more interested in the business side of things, then e-commerce dropshipping or affiliate marketing might be up your alley. You can also do surveys or micro-tasks. But personally, I recommend going with one of the first 3 options. So take some time to think about what you enjoy doing and what you're good at. Once you've decided on a niche, the next step is to find a problem that people in that niche are facing. For example, let's say you're interested in fitness. A problem that people in the fitness niche might be facing is how to lose weight effectively. Step 2. Provide the solution. Now that you've identified a problem that people in your niche are facing, it's time to come up with a solution. This could be in the form of a product or service that you offer. If you decide to go with a product, it could be something physical like a weight loss tea or a workout program. Or it could be a digital product like an ebook or online course. If you decide to go with a service, it could be anything from personal training to nutrition coaching. The key here is to come up with something that will help solve the problem that you identified in step 1. Don't worry too much about whether or not your solution is perfect. You can always make changes down the road if needed. Just get something up and running so you can start seeing some results. Step 3. Start providing the solution for free. Now that you have a solution, it's time to start providing it to people. And the best way to do this is to do it for free. This might seem counterintuitive, but hear me out. When you first start out, you need to focus on getting results. People are more likely to pay for a product or service if they see that other people are getting results from it. So, by providing your product or service for free initially, you'll be able to generate some social proof and get people interested in what you're offering. There are a couple of ways you can do this. You could start a blog and write about your solution. You could start a YouTube channel and make videos about your solution. You could even start a social media account and share your solution there. Whatever platform you choose, make sure you're providing value in every post or video. Your goal is to establish yourself as an expert in your field, so that people will trust you and be more likely to do business with you down the road. Step 4: get paid. Now that you've established yourself as an expert and you're providing value to people, it's time to start getting paid. This could mean selling a product or service directly to your customers. Or it could mean promoting other people's products or services and earning a commission on sales. To promote other people's products or services, you can sign up for an affiliate program. An affiliate program is basically where you get a unique link that tracks your referrals. So, whenever you refer someone who makes a purchase, you earn a commission. There are literally hundreds of different affiliate programs out there that you can join. So, do some research and find one that aligns with your niche and the type of content you're creating. Once you've found an affiliate program to join, it's time to start promoting. You can promote other people's products or services in a few different ways. You can do it through content marketing like blogging or making YouTube videos. You can do it through social media marketing, paid advertising, or email marketing if you want to learn more about these different marketing methods. I'll provide more information below. Basically, once you've gotten some initial traction and you're generating traffic to your website or landing page, you can start promoting the product or service you're offering and start earning commissions. And remember, the key here is to provide value to your audience in everything you do. If you're trying to sell people on a product or service, they need to know that you have their best interests at heart. If they feel like you're just trying to scam them, they're not going to buy from you. But if you establish yourself as a trusted authority in your field, people will be lining up to do business with you. And if you're wondering how much money you can make with this business model, the sky really is the limit. It all depends on how hard you work and how good you are at promoting products or services. Some people have built full-time incomes doing this. So it's definitely possible. And the best part is that you can do this from anywhere in the world. As long as you have an internet connection, you can start making money. Now, if you're looking for some inspiration, there are a lot of successful people out there who have built profitable businesses following this model. One great example is Pat Flynn. He is a well-known blogger and podcaster who built his business around sharing valuable content and promoting products he believes in. He has been very open about the success of his business, and he has shared a lot of helpful tips and advice for aspiring entrepreneurs. Another great example is Michelle Schroeder Gardner. She's a self-made millionaire who built her business around helping people achieve financial independence. She shares a lot of helpful resources on her website and social media accounts, and has helped a lot of people change their lives for the better. These are just two examples of people who have built successful businesses following the model I outlined in this video. There are literally thousands of other people out there who have done the same thing and achieved amazing results. So, if you're looking for inspiration, just do a quick Google search and you'll find plenty of it. Now, as I mentioned earlier, there are a lot of different ways to promote products or services online. You can use content marketing, social media marketing, paid advertising, or email marketing. But the key to success with any of these methods is to provide value in everything you do. If you're trying to sell people on a product or service, they need to know that you have their best interests at heart. If they feel like you're just trying to scam them, they're not going to do business with you. But if you establish yourself as a trusted authority in your field, people will be lining up to do business with you. Starting a business with no money can be challenging, but it's definitely possible. With a little creativity and resourcefulness, you can come up with a low-cost or even free way to start your business. By following the steps I outlined in this video, you can set yourself up for success. Just remember to provide value in everything you do and be patient. It takes time to build a profitable business. If you're willing to put in the work, you can achieve your financial goals. That's all I have for you today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments below if you have any questions, and I'll catch you in the next one.